And when it comes to cramps for women, it's cut across literally every phase of the menstrual cycle, from the ovulation to period and all that. And then when a woman gets pregnant, she also have cramps as well. So there's just so much around cramps that get women really worried and scared. And in this video, we're just going to be looking at what cramps are and what to expect during your ovulation, during your cycle, and also when you get pregnant. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I'm not Mary Fred. If you need to talk to me directly, kindly send me a DM and I am going to give you like how to reach out to me directly. So when it comes to cramp, like I said earlier, it just cuts across the entire month, like the different phases of the menstrual cycle. And when it comes to ovulation, a lot of women are not very, familiar with the ovulation cramps. Some don't get any of it, while some have testified to getting certain kinds of cramps around it. And when I was talking about the signs and symptoms of ovulation, I was very particular about ovulation pain, which usually is on one side of the lower abdomen most times, or sometimes on the both sides, depending on the ovaries releasing egg in that cycle. So during that ovulation period, you'd have cramps as well. And it can be from anything like lower abdominal cramps or lower back cramps. But like I said earlier, it's more localized to one side of the lower abdomen. Then during the menstrual cycle, you get cramps, lower abdominal cramps. Some persons get very painful lower back cramps as well. And this is more like premenstrual cramps. Note that not every woman experiences these cramps. There are women that go through their cycle without experiencing anything related to cramps or pains or anything. All they see is the blood is out and they just know that they are on their period. So not everybody experiences this. So just in case you're not getting any of these cramps, don't get worried. Pain itself is not something to call on yourself. All right. So that is it for pregnancy, for ovulation and the menstrual cycle. And then when it comes to pregnancy, sometimes you get pregnant and you really do not feel any pain or cramps. But then there are other women, like I said, the body differs. Other women may get like cramps, especially when during implantation, as the fertilized embryo is trying to implant on the wall of the uterus, you get cramps. As the pregnancy is trying to settle into the womb, you get cramps. And one thing is, these pregnancy cramps can come towards the time the woman is supposed to get her normal monthly period cramps. So sometimes you might feel like, this could be related to pregnancy, especially for those who usually are not used to having cramps before their period. They could assume that getting cramp this time is a possibility that they are getting, they are pregnant. Meanwhile, it could just be the body reacting that month, and the cramps you're actually getting is period-related cramps. So you could get cramps that are literally all through the cycle, and it all depends on the individuals, because there are some who may not get cramps during period, during ovulation, or even when they get pregnant, and it is normal for them. So yes, cramps cut across cycle. So period cramps, pregnancy cramps, they can really mimic each other, and it will only take you missing your period or getting a positive pregnancy test to tell whether you were pregnant or not. So in case you're getting cramps and you're getting worried, just wait a little until it is time for your period. If the period does not come, then you take a pregnancy test to be sure that the cramp is pregnancy related. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope this made sense. Kindly give this video a like and follow, share with someone as well. So bye.